Computers use something like the box Cezanne used. They're called variables. Each variable in Java has a name and a value. The name doesn't change, but the value can keep changing, just like the balls that Cezanne used in the box. Those values don't always have to be numbers. They can be letters or even text. However, once you create a variable of a certain type, you can only use it to store values of that particular type. For example, if we wanted to create a variable that keeps track of the number of passengers on the bus, the type of values here are natural numbers like 0, 3, 7, and so on. Because we can't really have a fraction of a person on the bus, right? I'd hope so. Natural numbers in Java are called integers. So, if we wanted to create a variable of type integer in Java, we will write down int, which is short for integer, and then the variable name, which is something that we can come up with, say passengers. And then, as usual, we end the statement here with a semicolon, just like we did with the print line earlier. So, this statement here tells the computer to create this empty box that can store natural numbers inside, and its name is passengers. What we just did here is called declaring a variable. This variable now can be used to store any integer number, which can easily change as more people go on or off the bus. So, let's start using it. The first thing we need to do is set it to 0. We do that by typing in the variable name followed by this equal sign and then the value we want to set it to, in this case 0. And then never forget that semicolon at the end. This is basically as if we've inserted the number 0 in our box. What we just did here is called initializing our variable, or giving it an initial value basically. So, there you go. Now our passengers variable has the value 0 in it, which means our bus has 0 passengers. Let's start updating it.